Well, happening now, friends and family of Samantha Jacsobson, the University of South Carolina student who was killed after getting into the wrong car over the weekend, they're saying their final goodbyes. Samantha was laid to rest in her home state of New Jersey earlier today, and police say she was waiting for an Uber outside a bar in Columbia, and she got into the wrong car. It had child locks on, so Samantha would not have been able to escape. And you see this highlighted surveillance video. That's Samantha right there about to get into that car. Her body was found more than 70 miles away with stab wounds from head to toe. Police say this is the man who was behind the wheel, Nathaniel Rowland. He's charged with murder and with kidnapping. And Samantha's parents didn't speak today at the funeral. They have asked for privacy, but a cousin did make a statement thanking Columbia police for their efforts to catch her accused killer.
Their pursuit to find the animal who took Sammy from us, those efforts won't soon be forgotten. Law enforcement's true due diligence for justice led to an acceptable result under these terrible circumstances.
Friends and family held a vigil for the 21-year-old in Robbinsville, New Jersey last night. One by one, her high school friends and neighbors shared their favorite stories they called Sammyisms. Her boyfriend and father also spoke at the vigil.
He was a monster, right? What he did was I don't want anybody else to go through it as a parent. I was on the phone tracking her through all this just to make sure she got home safely, and immediately knew that there was something that was wrong. Unfortunately, I was 2.5 hours away. I'd do anything to go back.
Her dad is now calling for action that Uber and Lyft drivers do more to identify themselves. And of course, Samantha's death has prompted a South Carolina state lawmaker to file a bill to make things safer for people who use Uber or other rideshare services like Lyft. If passed, it would require ride-sharing companies like those two to place illuminated stickers or beacons in the windshields of their vehicles. A lot do that, but it's not required by the state. Uber is also pushing its own safety tips for riders, like request your ride inside, sit in the back seat if you're riding alone, share your trip details with a friend. Follow your intuition. If it doesn't feel right, get out and protect your personal information. But again, your best bet is just to make sure you identify, that driver can identify who you are.